Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn what is the incognito in your Chrome browser, or what is how you can enable it and disable it. I will show you and what exactly it is used for. So I will show you. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go to my browser. So guys, here you can see this is my Chrome browser, normal Chrome browser, and here if you want to go in incognito, you can go from here. Just click on three dot and you can click on new incognito window, so it will be open in new tab. You can directly go and only just click on your Chrome browser icon and you can click on new incognito window. So incognito window basically will see in black. Okay, so in incognito mode, for only for the incognito mode doesn't synchronize your cookies, your histories, or anything. If you want, it is not private search. Okay, so many people saying that this is private search, it is not you track you if you search anything. So this is not any private window. Okay, if you done wrong thing in incognito, so people the concerned person will track you. Okay, so is tag your IP address, but it is not track your normal Windows search browsing history and any cookies. So incognito only for you can search fresh. Okay, if you search in YouTube. Okay, so just go in YouTube. It is opening. Okay, so if I search here anything, like first in YouTube, you can see there is a many suggestion video you will see according your past history and your watch history. But in incognito it will not show you, it will show you trending only. And it's like fresh search, and if you search anything, it will show the fresh search and perfect result. Okay, but if you search in your normal window in Google and YouTube or anything, so it will be it will synchronize your cookies or search history, and according your search or according your interest, it will show your result. But incognito you can search fresh. Okay, so in incognito you can watch your own videos, YouTube videos, but for just test you can't watch many time and YouTube video, and you can so it will be violence for YouTube if you see many times videos, your own videos, and click on ads. So many people saying that this is private mode, nobody can track you. So many people view their own videos and click on ads, and they think that this will be private and YouTube can't track you. So I so that's all guys. I hope you like this video, and you get know how to open or turn on the new incognito window. Okay, I hope you like this video. Thank you for